Well, good day everyone. Things have been a bit slow in the shed. Winter hasn't helped, but other activities as well, of course. Jobs always seem to get in the way of doing the things you want to do. Anyway, we've been making a little bit of progress. So what you can see here is that we've got the dart body up on its side. I did that to make it easier to get to all the wiring. As you can see, it's also hanging about there. But there is some ideas behind it. And what I've also done, as you can see here, is I've put a few little retainers in for wiring to keep it up out of the way. Look at that. So hopefully it won't all hang down. Also, I've put in these. They're the windscreen wiper jets. So we're catching it along, we're getting along. We've got all the wiring for lights. Obviously that's the windscreen wiper. Other wiring. It'll get neater as we go, I hope. I might even shorten some of these, like that's far too long. But we're coming along. So that's been happening. The other thing that hasn't been happening is the motor. Yes, it does turn over, but no spark. Now, it might be this regulator set up here because it's not standard, obviously. I'll have to talk to a friend about that, and hopefully he can help me sort it out, because at the moment no spark at all. Still, I even pulled all the points out and checked the wiring, that there was no breaks in the wirings. That all seems to be fine. I've re-timed it, I think, correctly, but even so, should still have a spark, even if the spark is not in the right spot. So it partly works, as in it turns over, but it won't fire up at the moment. So that's been a bit of a delay too. So I'm going to continue on with the wiring, and we'll just see how we go. G'day, we've been making a little bit of progress. These bits here, they're part of the brackets that will support the hinges for the rear boot, and I've just here, that's just a prime on there, which is the plate that holds the steering column in place, and I'll paint that red. What else have been up to? A bit more wiring is coming there. This block here is to mount the radio, and I've fiberglassed that in, so that's coming along. Tidy up some more of the wiring, so that's looking a lot neater. So that's come along. All just fiddly bits, really, just fiddly bits, but they're all got to be done. And even the fiddly bits, like sorting out these nuts, clean them all up so they're all good. And they're the nuts that go on the hinges for the boot lid. And here's the hinges all painted up, and they go on like this. Now, I did think of painting under here red, using a stencil, but you can still see the original stencil there, which is the old, and I don't know what this has come off, it's green. But I think I'm going to leave a bit of the original platination, for want of a better word, on the vehicle, rather than paint this red. If I get sick of it, I'll just pull it off one day and paint it red and put the stencil on again. But at this stage, I think I'll just leave it as it is. We'll see how we go. So we're coming along, folks. I did buy some more fiberglass resin and catalyst and things to fix up that bit of fiberglass on the body. Debating about whether I turn the body up side down completely next and put a few more hooks in there. Should be easier. Or whether I put it back on the flat. Anyway, we'll get these bits painted up and put on, and we'll worry. Oh, sorry, probably just looking at my mouth then. I can't see what I'm doing. And then, yeah, we'll carry on. So, yeah, every day, a little bit of progress. I just, muck about in the shed. So, till next time, we'll keep on going. Cheers.